Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Trade and Chai. This specific live stream or the video is about how we are going to utilize the strategy lab that I have designed. I will give you insight also on how I'm going to use it. So let's first open the chart. So this is specifically for Nifty. I am going to show the rationale behind how I'm going to enter a particular strategy. So at the end of the day, as you guys know, right? Futures and options are mainly hedging tools. So we are going to use them as they were designed to hedge and try to make most out of it. So right now, if you see, this is a weekly chart, right? So if you see, market gave a high of 26,387 and then did a bearish movement, then gave a pullback, and now it looks like it is consolidating around where it is right now, which is with a downside of with a good major support of 23,800 and resistance of 24,500, right? So on a daily chart also, if you see, market went up, made a high, right? Made a high here, came down, gave a pullback, and now it is in a sideways momentum. So it looks like if you see my screen here, it looks like the best option is to do a short triangle or even iron condor. In iron condor, the only addition is in my journal I have not added that strategy. I'll add that too as well. In iron condor, along with selling C and P, we also buy C and buy P. So in that case, the premium that we pay is comparatively less. But here, coming back to the chart that we have, I still feel if you see on a daily chart, there is a bullish momentum, and then now there is a slight pullback. And overall, given the sentiment in the market, I'm still towards a negative side. I could be wrong, so that's why I want to hedge and put a strategy. So what I'll do is right now Nifty futures, if you see on the screen, are trading at around 24,070. So I'll short Nifty futures so that I can capture the move till, let's say, 23,930 or even 23,800. And just to protect myself, I'll buy at the money call. So both will be for the same expiry, and those would be for 28th July. So let's quickly just check the option chain, and let's just enter. Okay. So what we'll do is, I don't know how to use this. Is a Motilal Oswal app. Looks decent. It's just that I'm using it for the first time. So where is the option chain? Okay, let me just click on Nifty, yeah, options, right? So option chain. Okay, so we have decided to go long at the money. So 24, so closest is 24,050, right, from 65. Okay, so 24,050 is the 24,050. Okay, so is the call. Okay, so if you go buy, so okay, required margin, right? What is the required margin for this? Okay, oh yeah, so required margin is 16,000, right? So what we'll do is we'll go long ATM call. I know the option, so 24,050. The entry premium is close. The entry premium is around 241, right? So around 241. Okay. I'll make it 242. Similarly, let's see the futures option chain. Futures. So chain. Sorry. Futures. So where is the Nifty futures one? I was able to see here on the trading view. So it's 24,067, right? Let me see in my cell phone in Upstocks. I'll figure it out. Maybe from the next team onwards, I'll be able to show you guys how and where do I find this on the futures. Let's see if I click on buy here. So yeah, 24,068. Yeah, you are right. Yeah, so 1,78,000 is the margin. Okay, 1,78,000 is the margin. option lot 1 and 24067 is the short future. And okay, so entry region, overall market structure is negative, or I would overall market structure is mildly is sideways, but given the overall sentiment in the global markets looks like a good bear trade, okay, for next 15 days. So this is the logic. So let's create this strategy. Yeah, and I'll show you quickly how to calculate unrealized PNL, right? So let's say if we entered this, right, short futures 24067, and when I had the ATM call, see 242, if for some reason it goes to, let's say, 200, and so call goes down, means market has come down, and it goes to, let's say, 24,000 or 023, right, was the low. So see, this is how it gets calculated. Net loss here on the CE side, and net positive on the short future side. But anyway, so right now it is 2407070, so I'll make that 24070, and let's see the option chain. Sorry, I'm still feeling a little ill. Where is the option chain? Right, so this is the option chain that I got. I don't want this one. Index futures. Okay, option chain. Okay, yeah, expiry is gonna be 28 July 24050, and currently it is trading at 240. 240. I'll round it up to 241. Okay, 241. Let's calculate. Yeah. So I'm right now into a net negative, but I'm not worried because I'll show you why on the trading view chart as well. Let's or maybe let's use the Motilal Oswal one, because I don't have the resistance and support drawn, so it will be easier for you guys to understand. So if you see, right, as I explained, on a daily chart there was a pullback, right? There was a pullback, and now market tried to go down, break down, a short pullback, and then there is a huge chance that it will break this level 23,800, and if it breaks 23, then the huge target becomes 23. So right now, in the near term, market looks negative unless and until market breaks this level, right? We don't have a huge upside. Even if you want a upside of 500 points, I think market at least needs to break 24,200 or something. So that was about it, guys. So this is specific to how I am gonna create strategies, and eventually, most probably from the mid-August, I'm gonna trade with actual money. And as I say, this is all educational. This is for my own learning, and if you guys find it valuable, maybe you can learn too. If I make mistake, that is well and great. I'll also learn. You guys can also learn. So thank you for listening in. I'll do another recording for tomorrow's market levels. Just to give a quick heads up, I did not trade today. Even though we did have some good trade, as you can see on the trading view chart, but yeah, this is for another video. I'll do the resistance and support levels for 16 July, that is tomorrow. Later I'll record and upload. So thank you for listening in, guys. See you.